Okay guys, welcome back to your favorite channel. And this tutorial again, we're gonna cover how to make money. Okay, so today we're gonna see a website called rev.com. So on this website they use human voice, captions, stuff like that to as services they offer to people. And you as a guy who wants a job can come in here and sign in as a freelancer. Okay, so first things first, let's just see what they work on. They work on English captions, web subtitles, stuff like that. Translate on-screen subtitles for videos with 90% accuracy. So these are the services that they offer to their clients. Okay, and here are some of the people who trust them or people who they work with. Okay, you know PBS, you know Yale. This is Yale University. This is Arizona State University, Stanford University. See, they work with the big dudes in the market. Okay, so they just want to help them reach a wider audience with the captions or transcriptions of stuff. Their videos, documentaries, yeah, things like that. Okay, so they help them to make accurate speech to text stuff in their videos or audios. So what you do as a worker or as a freelancer, this is a freelancer platform for those who wants jobs. You're just the guy behind doing all this. You're just typing their subtitles. Okay, so you can come over here and click to become a freelancer, or you can come up here and just log in, create a new account. But first, let's see why Revs. Okay, so let's see their customer stories. So amongst their customer are Spotify. You know this Spotify is a big deal. This is a big deal. So Revs help Spotify deliver the fresh on-demand content to their users. Okay, so you're sure you're gonna be working with the best dudes on the market. Okay, so let's go ahead and create an account. So you just have to click here to create your account. Okay, put in your name. You have to give your email address. And then create a password. You see, they just tell you their services, and here you can just click here to become a freelancer, and you have everything you need from there. You just be as their worker for a certain period of time. And the best thing about working as a freelancer is that you're not binded in any way. You're just free to work as you want. So on this website you can really work whenever you have time or whenever you feel like you want to. You're not pressured on anything. Okay, and guys, notice that it's a good thing to get these skills to work with these dudes, because they're gonna be paying you per minute. Okay, $1 for a video minute. If you work on 30-20 videos, you're just gonna make lots of money. Or even 5. Let's say you work on 5 videos, each having 15 to 20 minutes. That's some money. Okay, so 15 minutes of a video, that's $15. Okay, then $15 multiplied by that by 20 videos, that makes $300. You can make $300 a day, and that's not the maximum. It just depends on how much you want to make. So guys, get in here and you're gonna give yourself some skills that will take you to a whole nother professional level. Let's get in, guys. So guys, you can just come here and see how the jobs are as a freelancer. So one is a transcriptionist. You listen to an audio and a video, accurately type what is being said, and then label speakers. Pretty much it, guys. So simple. You can do hundreds of these jobs per day as you want. And the other thing is a captioner. You can just have to watch a video, accurately type what is being said, and then creatively convey sound. Okay? And sync type audio with video. Just have to put on the captions as the one you see on YouTube. Okay? And the range of payment starts from $0.45 to $1.10, which the only difference here being that the transcription is start from $0.30. Okay? So guys, it's really a good deal. $1 per 1 minute video. This is a good offer, dude. Imagine making $1 per each minute of your day. That's a whole lot of money. Okay, so imagine if you spend 5 hours working on this. That's 300 minutes, $300. You get that? Imagine working for Spotify, dude. Imagine seeing a song on Spotify and knowing that those lyrics were just written by you. That's good, man. So guys, that's it for today. Ciao. Remember to share, like, and subscribe. And then see you in another video.